Hi, got another guitar to fix, which is keeps me happy. And in this case, it's a 1975 Telecaster Custom. It is got a lot of character. Anyway, what I was asked to do was all the pots were scratchy. You know, it was every time. In fact, some of them didn't work at all, and needed a new selector switch. And well, that's exactly what I've done. I took it to bits because it rusted so much that the earthing wires had completely rusted out. So took it to bits, replaced all the wiring, replaced the potentiometers and the tone controls, wired it all up, and sounds great. It's really, really, really good. I'm thinking it was originally probably in the factory. It was a natural or a blonde, whatever they call it, a butterscotch. But I reckon in the factory they've painted it black. I think they have anyway. And over the years, it's as you can see. Well, I think that's what's happened. Not too sure. But anyway, what a guitar! It's absolutely fantastic. Really like it. Now it's finished, so it sounds great. Another one fixed.